Hello, and let's see how we can do the wiring of the advanced starter house. Now, as you've already seen, the lights go on as soon as I step down here and enter this area. Actually, it's with also this block here, and this gives a nice effect. So when sleeping, the lights are out, and when working, the lights are on. And likewise for the door. So just going here, you see door is just enabled for players, so everybody who's stepping the one field before the door will open it. Disabled for creatures, obviously, because yeah, you see, I don't want them in. Width and length is each set to 3, and the height of 1 is nice, so when working with anything else, you still see something, at least in the upper area. Anyway, you've seen when building that there are 2 sensors. The closer one to the door is obviously the sensor door. Yeah, as you've seen, enabled for players only, link to the door. And for the other one, we have sensor light, which has a width of 6, length of 7, and also a height of 1. Enabled for both creatures and players alike. Why? Because, so if you coming from the outside and you see the light inside, you know, you gotta be prepared. This is just a security measure, kinda. So, yeah, you know, alarm goes on if you see the lights on, but are outside. And the only one playing on the server, obviously, if you have friends inside, but they're players too. So anyway, yeah. That's so far. Obviously, you're gonna draw it to the light. Here's one too. I made it free so I can have access to all the number comparison gates and the block phasers. Now, as you can already see, let's see all the wires. Now over there is the switch outside that's just connected to all the block phasers outside around. Anyway, let's focus on the inner ones. They're much more, well, not that much more complicated. So, for each number comparison gate, you're going to copy-paste keypad inside the input 1, make it not equal to a value increasing from 1 to 7, and in every number comparison gate you get a change from event to value. This is very important because otherwise it won't recognize the number. Also, not equal comparison is very important, so it doesn't trigger on other numbers, actually on true-false events. And yeah, this has to be done for every number comparison gate. Likewise, I highly recommend to name them already, like liquid, corruption, so you know what you're gonna open with it, especially because you're naming previously in advance. So I've named here liquid water. You see it highlighted in light green as the output. Likewise here we have liquid mineral, we have here liquid bog, we have here liquid molasses, always with operation not equal, NEC, with changing input 2, which is set to value. And yeah, as you see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, all the way up. And here's the lava. Now, so you already see the magic going on. Oh, shh. Yeah, now inside they burn, but outside they were just standing. Nice. So, magic 1, mineral water. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and disappears. Magic 2. I need a bit. Okay. And let's continue with number 3. And hang 4. 4. Losses. Going 4, 5. Should be tar. Very nice. And going for 7, which is corruption. And for number 6. Oh, that doesn't work yet. Well, nice. That was on purpose. So now we're setting this one, and we gotta be fast. So that's why also is the reason why I removed the lamp here. So I'm already having the finger on N. So because it's 5 seconds until the lava gets hardened. So fast. Okay, let's remove it. Go down, go down. It goes down. Okay. Let's check. Number 6. And here we go with the lava. Whoa. Might require 4.5. Well, let's check again. 6. Yeah, that's enough. Great. This is all the magic done. Now I can... Oh, where did I put the wall to? Or the roof? Okay, here's the lamp. And yeah, that's it. All magic is done. And we can enjoy our water dispenser. Whoops. I knew something was wrong. Lamp here. So, and wall here. So, good. Now it's all nice and dandy. And again, what's just a new one, number 6? Yeah, you gotta be kidding. You gotta be kidding. Just now? That just used to work. Yeah, that's working. Now that's empty again. It was just working. Block water working. It's not this one. Four. Tar stopped working too. Wait. Why is... This is weird. Well, this is 4. It's opening and nothing. And they just were there. Just were. I just placed the walls. What voodoo is it? This is really annoying. I mean, it just worked before I placed the walls here. And they should work through walls with ISU. Oh well. But anyway, that's how the wiring is done. You gotta figure around that. On that. In the worst case, don't put the wall this in a roof. Just leave it otherwise. And yeah. But it sucks. Thanks for watching anyway. See ya.